Hello everybody. In today's episode, I'm going to do a rerun of my Peranakan cake molds. And why I did this, because this is part of my collection that I found that it's going to be, some of them are going to be gone soon. And I'm going to visit a very good friend. And yes, we have Peranakan heritage here in this book, but anyway, let's talk about these items. I categorize them as the shallow ones. This is the satru. Oh, sorry, my cigarette. Yes, I always drink and I always smoke. This is the smaller pieces. That's the longer pieces. And these are the mooncakes. And this is the turtle pau, I think. And this is the kueku, or we call it here kukuran. Okay, with all further ado, let's just start. So that's my tripod, that's my setup. We can go from there to here, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So here are the molds. Like this is the one you already seen, the one with the twisted hood from my other episodes, so I'm not going to review those again. So these are, I'm going to show you the different details. These are very lowly details, and usually I don't know what are they selling before. This is also not really good detail compared to these ones. This is a very good detail, deep ones. These small one are usually probably cake shop. Probably a small cake shop, yeah, I mean, yeah. This is a very detailed one, but sadly the wood has splitted quite detailed, as you can see, compared to this. Yeah, okay, well, anyway, and also compared to this, yeah, some of them got burnt mark. I don't know how they got the burnt marks. Anyway, so some of these are good for collectors, some are, this one also I don't know, but what I heard from a friend, this unique motif belongs to like Bali or something like that. Well, anyway, let's move on. We can compare also the these are old items, not newly made, but you just check on the details, it's different, you know. You can compare the details is a little bit different. The details on the cuttings are, this is the extreme ones. Yes, you can still see the crab, but the detail of the crab is, wait a moment, I got the one with the crab. Oh, I think it's gone. Oh, there is one, sorry. Yeah, look at the detail of the crab, is very different. Yeah, it's the same quality, but the details are different. Okay, so anyway, this one, the fan one, also very detailed. Yeah, so today we are discussing about the details. Yes, you can see some of them are missing because I forget where to put them. And okay, also this one, quite okay detail. Sorry, quite okay detail. Yeah, for those detailed ones, many collectors love to have them. But for those with not so detailed one, like these ones, is usually for cafe decoration, I think. But this one is quite oddly shaped. Yeah, this one is like cafe decoration. There are also the ones I suspect, like that one. We can discuss it later. This new one. These are, I call the shallow ones. I don't know what design it is, but where does it come from, for what cake, but they are very shallow. They are very shallow. Like I have the long one, similar detail, a very long one. You see, it has a bore here, and weirdly, this does look like a windmolen or Holland wind turbine. Yes, like you see, I can see that this human being shape look alike, very similar model. Yes, these are the shallow one, I call them. I don't know what it is for, and it has different things. Yeah, so the shallow ones also come in variation. This one also, I don't know, it's like a spider. I don't think this is a crab, and this is just a cake. Yeah, this is quite a weird model, a spider. And this is also fish. Looks like it's newly made, but I can assure you this is old. Yeah, I'm going to show you the new one later. It comes from that one. That particular one is new. You can see the carving is different, and this one is also new. The wood and the carving is also aged differently. Okay, like this one can probably be considered like new, but they are using the old wood. But it's also carved very nicely. I mean symmetrical, even though it's not as detailed. Yeah, this is definitely old wood, but not a very detailed one. Yes. Okay, some of cafes use this as decoration. I'm showing you this one. This is definitely new wood and new carving. As far as I know, this wood type is Jati Sonokeling, which is only found in Indonesia. And the carvings are also very simple. It's very different, even though these are not the detailed one. But you can see, you can compare. Yeah, I take another sample of the, yeah, you can see, you can compare. The carvings are very different, even with the simpler one. With the detailed model, it will be totally different. Yes, there you can see. Yeah, you can see this one with the simple carvings also, but it is deeper. This is shallower. Okay, so anyway, let's move on. This one was given by my uncle Tan Peng Tek. I don't know why, because my grandmother used to make these cakes here, these cakes as big as this one, but I haven't get anything from there. But this one is given by my uncle. Xie uncle, thank you. Also this one, I don't think my grandmother ever baking cake using this one. Yeah, my grandmother live in Jalan Veteran, Tegal. Yes, this one's, yeah, and also this one is I was given by a late friend, so I cannot sell this one. Yeah, so probably some of them sell. Okay, so these are the I call it the kue satru, and now we move it to the kukuran or the kueku. These are even deeper. This is the deepest I can find. Yeah, like if you can see, the wood are very thick, but this one, the carving is very deep, and this is just very shallow. Very detailed but shallow. This one also very deep carvings. Yes, so that's the difference between the kue kukuran or the, I cannot say the kueku, and this one the satru kacang, which is made of mung bean, yes, mung bean, kacang hijau. Okay, so there are the series of tools. Yes, these are old carvings, old wood. This is nos or new old stock, look like to me, because it haven't been used, but I can see that this is the old carving. Because if you want to say the new carving, this is a Malaysian product. Yes, very different. Yes, very different. The new carving Malaysian product. I bought this in Malaysia. Yes, very different. Let me show you. There you go. Very different. It's okay, it's quite detailed and it's deep, but it's different. That's it. Okay, so the kueku model has two types. What I have is the one with the tools and the one with the trees. The one with the tools are mostly, two models are mostly the turtle and the fish. Yes, like these ones. This is the really old one, turtle and the fish. Yeah, this is a kueku. And this one is the tree model. Does look like the fish, the turtle and the flower. I don't know which model is old one, but I mean like older, this one or that one. But there's the 2 mold model and the 3 mold model. Yeah, and this one is also with all turtle model. All turtle model. Like these carvings, okay, you can see, check, compare this detail. They both are old, but the detail of the carving is very different. Very different, the detail of the carving. Yes, yes, can be compared. Yeah, so mostly collectors like these details. Yes, and this one can be used for cafe decoration. Okay, and moving on, here's the one I want to tell you, like the newer carving. This is quite a new carving, which is actually it's quite detailed, but this is a newer carving with a newer wood. I can see it probably is nos, but I can see that this is a new carving. Okay, this is the older carving. This one got 4 sides. Yes, this is the coin ones. Okay. See. But it's okay. It might be a nos thing, new old stock or something like that. But I have a few of these. I still couldn't find it yet, but I have a few. So this is, we haven't talked about yet. This is usually for mooncakes. I haven't cleaned this up. These are mooncake molds, I think, because it's a singular. And yeah, all of these are old. Some is big actually, but comes in bad shape. Probably it's not repaired, but the wood has been worn by washing, lot of washing. It still have a Chinese marking behind and a number, serial number also. Same as this one, it has a Chinese marking. I don't know how to write and read Chinese anyway. So yeah, very lightweight. I don't know where that is come from, but this is definitely a mooncake mold. Yes, this is a worn out wood. It's not a wood filler, yeah. It's not a wood filler. It's just worn out. Okay, and we have these smaller turtle, single ones. Yeah, very easily because they just need this one, so they don't really much care about the dimension of the outer wood. This is also a big turtle. Okay, anyway, this is my most unique collection. It is about 50 to 60 cm long. I mean, like, this is one of the longest that I have. This one also, this fish is very weird. Very weird. I don't know where it comes from. And this is also like a batik model. That's why a friend of mine said probably this comes from Bali. Anyway, and this one also, I seldom see or never see Peranakan molds like this ones before. It has crocodile, toads and everything I have described in my other video. But anyway, these are the long ones. Yes. And moving on, here are the red ones. This is also weird. Just for the, this is not a coin shape one. This is a flower. This one also only 2 pieces. And this one also for sheep. Okay, and this one is huge and weird. Yeah, it goes like this. A friend of mine, a friend in Facebook, explained to me what type of cake is this. I never seen one like this before, but this one is like a kilin or dog of fu. Yeah. So anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, my friends. This is quite a long video. Hope you enjoy it. See you in my next video. Happy collecting, and I will absolutely have more of this.